Right, so it's morning on the third day. I fell asleep while I was editing that video last night, and so my iPad and my charger are both flat. So that won't be getting put up till later when I can find somewhere to charge it. So yeah, upload. Got it all finished just before it ran out of battery when I woke up this morning. But yeah, so we're going to head down to the beach for breakfast because decided cooking up here, just too many possums hanging around overnight. I just keep having to make them nick off. They're walking all over me tarp and climbing all over me hammock and getting pretty close to the tent. So we'll go start just cooking stuff down at the beach, I reckon, like we were yesterday, lunch and dinner. So yeah, go do that, and then I might try to find somewhere to charge this blooming iPad. Right guys, just came down to test out the water and check this out. And he's gone. Yeah, that's these guys. Don't walk off my hand, you'll fall. Oh. Good guys. Looks like a spider. Oh. So cool. Hope that's in focus. Oh yeah, I'll put you down there. He digs himself a hole. Don't make him move sand quick. Pushes it off to the side. Uses both claws. Digs himself a little circle. See that? That's cool. Alright. Today's a new day. Trying the soft plastic. See how we go. Not too sure how it'll go. I suppose we'll find out soon enough. You just using the blue bait? Garfish. Yep. Oh yeah. We went to the visitor centre to charge my iPad and found out them little ones we were picking up last night were garfish. So that's what they were garfish. Cool name. Righto, so we decided to start fishing. It was getting too windy, so we come down to these rock pools. These rocks here, we're going to have a look, see if we can find anything cool in there. Check out the monster I just found down here. He's not huge, but look at him, he's a whopper. How's that for the last one? We're literally just finished. As good as. Not as many sea stars as I thought there'd be, but which is weird because there's normally tons of them everywhere. But, oh well. Found a ton of sand enemies, so I'm happy with that. Righto, so we've packed up. We're heading off now. We haven't caught anything, so we're going to go down through to somewhere fresh, and we're going to try for a bit of trout. Sam might only be here for tonight, and then he might be nicking off. So yeah, go and get what we can while we can. I'll be staying out for the rest of the week, but yeah, so there we go. We'll head off now and go find a spot. Right, g'day. I'm back home now. Storm's coming in, easterly wind, so it's looking like it's going to be a bad one. So I'm going to stay here tonight, see what happens tonight. Not much point going out if we're just going to get slammed, so yeah. I'll check in with you later if we end up going back out. Right, so it is, I think it's a couple of weeks since I actually went out on this trip. I got home and sat my GoPro on my bench right there on my shelf, and my daughter walked off with it, and it's taken me this long to actually find it, so sorry this video is a bit late. So I didn't have my GoPro to film whatever we did next, so I went out with Sam the next day, because the next day was awesome. Next day was beautiful. We went up to Lake Lee, up Cradle Mountain Way, and on the way in we smashed the front of the sump off his car, so we didn't have that. We busted that, and it was a decent walk to the lake from where we had to stop, so we ended up just cooking up some grub and hanging around and checking out the area, and looks like it'd be an awesome spot to go for a camp and a fish, but yeah, didn't exactly get to do what we planned. So I've been on a few fishing trips since then, just short ones, day things. They've turned out pretty well. Sometimes we've caught stuff, sometimes we haven't. But yeah, so sorry this video took so long, but it has literally taken me this long to find my GoPro around the house. So thanks for waiting.